On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to copy and paste videos to make money online from home. If you take this method very serious, you can earn up to $500 per week, $894 per week, even up to $1,500 per week. So what you need to do is that you have to watch this video till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. This is ClickBank. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, what you need to do is that you have to just search for ClickBank and then you can create an account. So I have a video on how to create ClickBank accounts wherever you are in the world. So if you don't know how to create a ClickBank account, I will leave a link to that video in the description so that you watch it and then create your own accounts. So now what we are going to do is that you have to come to the marketplace so that you can promote products on this platform. So what you need to do is that you're just going to click here, marketplace. So once you click on it, you can get thousands of products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and as you scroll down, you are going to see categories of products that you can promote. They have arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting system, business and investing, computers and internet, and the rest. So what you need to do is that you are going to scroll down and then come to e-business and e-marketing. Once you come here, you are going to open it so that you can promote products in this category. Once you click on e-business and e-marketing category, you can see these are products that you can promote. You can see this one, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. You can see the commission rate is $36.74 per conversion. So anytime you get a sale, you are going to earn this amount. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see many products here that you can promote. As you can see, a lot of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to promote this particular product, paid online writing job. This is a product that you can promote to people who want to write online and then earn money. So what you need to do is that you have to check the affiliate support page so that you get to know the resources that you can use to promote this product. So we are going to come here, you can see affiliate page. So we are going to open the affiliate support page. Once you click on the affiliate support page, you are going to see a page like this. So as you scroll down, you can see they have a lot of resources that you can use to promote the product. They have email swipe, they have banners, product images. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use the videos on this page so that we can promote the product. So you are going to click on videos. Now once you click on videos, you can see this is a video that talks about the product. So when you click on it,
hey there, are you looking for a way to make some extra?
You can see that is a video that talks about the product. So when you scroll down, you can see here this is another video that
Hey, I'm Sarah from Kate.
You can see this is another video that talks about the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use this video to promote the product. So you just post this video on a website that I'm about to show you, and then you are going to leave your affiliate link in the description of the video. So once people watch the video, they are going to be educated about how the product works, and if they are interested, they are going to click on your link. Once they make a purchase, you are going to be earning commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to download the video. So you can click here to download the video. You can also just put your pointer on the video and you are going to right click. Once you right click, you just come here, save video as. So once you click on that, you are going to click on save so that you can save the video onto your device. So now once you have the video, you are going to begin promoting the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this website, odyssey.com. This is a video sharing website that you can use to promote the product. So once you open your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see thousands of videos on this platform. You can see a lot of them. As I scroll, you can see, and these videos are based on different categories. So as you can see them, so what we are going to do is that we are going to upload the video onto this platform so that we can use it to promote the product. So you are going to come here, click on this icon. Once you click on it, you are going to select upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to write the title of the video here. Here too, you are going to upload the main file here, which is the video. So you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on browse so that you can upload a video onto this platform. So once you click on browse, you are going to select your video and then click on open so that it will be uploaded onto this platform. As you can see, we have uploaded the video file onto this platform. So the next thing is that you are going to write the title of the video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to the affiliate page. Once you come to the affiliate page, you are going to scroll Upwards. So when you come here, you are going to click on PPC ads. So once you click on PPC ads, as you scroll, you can see they have some headlines that you can use. You can see earn up to $316 per day. You can see positions available now. You can see pay to write. As I scroll, you can see many titles that you can use. I'm going to use the first one, as you can see it right here. So what you are going to do, you are going to highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back to your video, and here you are going to paste the title right here. As you can see, once that is done, the next thing is that you are going to write a description about the product. So you are going to go back to the affiliate support page so that you can copy and paste a description here. So you are going to come back to the affiliate support page. Once you come here, you are going to scroll upwards, and here what you are going to do is that you can see that they have email swipes. So these are information about the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to open one of these emails. So I'm going to open this one. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that they have detailed information about the product, as you can see it right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to highlight and copy the body of the email. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your video and then paste it as a description here. So the next thing is that you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link here. So you are going to delete this sentence. So you delete this sentence. As you can see, you delete it up to this level. So here you are going to paste your affiliate link. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to ClickBank. Once you come back to ClickBank, you are going to click on promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to enter your nickname here. Once you enter your nickname, the next thing is that you are going to click on generate hop link so that you can get your unique affiliate link. So as you can see it right here, this is my unique affiliate link. So you are going to just click here to copy it onto your clipboard. Once that is done, you are going to shorten the link so that it can look nice. So you are going to use a website like Catly or Bitly. So you are going to just search bitly.com. So you just search Bitly. Once you search for Bitly, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the first website right here, bitly.com. Once you open Bitly, you are going to paste your link here so that you can shorten it. Once you paste your link here, just click on shorten so that this link can be shortened. As you can see, it is now shortened, and you are going to click here copy so that you can copy your shortened link. Now what we are going to do is that you are going to paste the link right here. You are going to paste the link here. So the next thing that we are going to upload a thumbnail to our video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to the affiliate support page. So here what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the video once again. Once you come back to the video, what you are going to do is that you are going to take a screenshot of this particular video so that you can upload it as your thumbnail. So I'm going to screenshot this video. As you can see it right here, expand it. You can use snipping tool to do this. As you can see, let me scroll down. Okay, once this is done, you are going to click here save so that you can save this image as your thumbnail. So as you can see, it is saving. And now what you are going to do is that you are going to save it. So you just click on save, and it's going to be saved onto your PC. So once you save the image, the next thing is that you are going to upload it as your thumbnail. So you are going to come back to the video, and then right here you are going to click on browse so that you can select your thumbnail. So now we are going to select the image and then click on open, and it is going to appear here. As you can see, just click on upload. As you can see, this is the thumbnail of the video. So the next thing is that you are going to tag your video. So when you come here, you are going to tag it like make money online. So as you can see, so you just click on it. You are going to target jobs, and then here you are going to just click on it. The next thing is that you are also going to target money. Here you are going to target as well. The next thing is that you are going to target work from home, and here you are going to just add it. This is the number of tags that you can add. As you can see, we have filled all the details. So anytime people watch the video, they are going to come here and then click on this affiliate link. Once they click on the link and then make a purchase, you are going to be earning commission on ClickBank. So the next thing is that you are going to scroll down and then publish this video. So you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on upload, and you can upload the video onto odesi.com. So just click on that. So once you click on upload, you are going to see a page like this. So you are going to continue and then click on upload so that your video can go live on this particular website. So now as you can see, the video is uploading right here. So as you can see, it is uploading right now. You can see the upload is now processing. So we are going to wait for it until everything is done. As you can see, success, your content will be live shortly. So that is it. This video is going to be live on a platform and once people watch it, they are going to click through your affiliate link, and then when they make a purchase, you are going to be earning money on ClickBank. So what you are going to do is that you're going to upload the next video onto it so that you can use this website to market your affiliate links. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.